I find Auto Parts Match Me feature is like having a personal assistant dedicated to car parts, expertly matching you with the items you need. On the website, simply enter a search using at least 4 of these 6 key parameters like part number, make, model, generation, category, and subcategory. If there is no immediate match, the Match Me button will appear. To get matched, select the Match Me button and let us take over, and alert you when a listing comes online that matches your search. For app users, the process is just as easy. Begin by tapping Find My Part to enter your search with the same key parameters. Enter at least 4 out of 6 search parameters listed: part number, make, model, generation, category, and subcategory. If your search shows up empty, the Match Me button will appear. Tap on it and let us connect you with the part you need as soon as it hits our site. Once a seller uploads a listing that matches your search, you'll receive an email and notification. To find your matches, go to My Account and select Match Me and save search. With Match Me by your side, you'll never have to settle for anything less than automotive perfection. Visit iFindAutoparts and get matched today.